Hello everyone. Today we talk about the crypto warning. Bull is not over. Biggest manipulation US government. As you can see in my last video, I told you that the new moon is can be a different from the other new moon. Usually the new moon is going to crash, but you can see what happened in the October. New moon is also going to up. And now in here, I also say about my last video in here about the technical analysis that the new moon gonna break up. However, as you can see in this the Fed meeting, there is the bad news. They said that there is an internal debate on raising the rates and starting the balance sheet consultation along with the end of the asset purchases in March. That's why they are giving the FAD. I think the US playing with us, and as you can see in the new moon, the US chose that the price is going to down. That's why new moon. So there's gonna be the chance from the bullish become to bear. But as I told you, the market is not over. Why? You can see that the market is not over. In here, the total crypto, total market cap, there is the double bottom in this white rectangle and this pink. You can see after this down and up, we created the super double bottom in the June, July. Now we are also creating double bottom in here. So after this down going to up, same like the pink and going to down again. So even if the price is going to down, if you see that everything is still fine, and as I told you that I buy on the 21 December in here. So even if that the price is going to down, even some people said it's a crash, uh, my portfolio is still in the zero profit. So not negative, not positive, still on the same as I entered in the 21 December. That's why I told you that I think there is no crash if as long as we stay that the Bitcoin stay in the 40,000 K in here. As I told you, the last entering is the September for the whale, so around the 40K. If the price is going to down below the 40K, it's the bad. But as long as the price is going to 40K, I think it's still okay. The whale still the accumulation. If you look about the on-chain data, the whale still keep the Bitcoin. They haven't sold it. And you can see that previously I draw from this green line, but it's just broke down today. So we draw this white line. Actually, you can change some drawing like a little bit down or a little bit up. But the point is that the market is not over. If you see about the Bitcoin dominance, as I told you that the Bitcoin dominance need to going to up. So even if the market is crash or maybe the market is pumped, still you need to see the Bitcoin. Why? Because the Bitcoin is the king. You need to see that the Bitcoin dominance is going to up first before the alt system. And as per I have told you in the last video about the altcoin gone crazy maybe in the Q2 or in the Q3. So the Q1, I think the king is the Bitcoin and altcoin, I think it's gonna pump, but uh, in terms of the Bitcoin dominance, still the Bitcoin is the king. And maybe for the next few days, Bitcoin is gonna be sideways. Why? Because we have the strong support in here, and also the new moon. What happened in this one? Exactly, is going to down by around the 11%, and I think the Bitcoin USD also creating the double bottom, same like this one. Okay. You can see that the Bitcoin exactly the same like in here. So there is the double bottom in here, same it says the double bottom in here. Okay, as I put in here. Okay, look this one. So there's gonna be the double bottom like this one too. So everything is about the double bottom, and I think I'm still very bullish. And remember that the next double bottom gonna end up in the full moon gonna happen in the 18th January. So we have still 12 days to go until the full moon, and the full moon gonna bring us going to up again. Okay. What else? I think that's the update for today. And just think about the Bitcoin dominance first and the Bitcoin, because the double bottom for the total market crypto is the key when this market is pressed. And remember, the FUD is always the negative. You can see in here when we have the 19 July in here, the FUD is very, very big and the China ban mining everything. But after that, actually we found in the 20 July, if you see the 20 July is the full moon. Okay, remember in here. Look, the full moon happened in the 24 July, and the palm start in the 21 July. So not exactly the same, but I told you that the palm is happen when we near the full moon. So the next full moon is the 18th January. So maybe in the 15th January or near that time, the price will go up. And if you already enter, just hold on. I also have the coin that I still hold on, and just trust us that the bull run is not over. You can see some video like the Benjamin coin and others said that the total market crypto in the 20 and 22 now gonna be 10 trillion US dollar. That's why we are still around 2 trillion, so we have 5x to go. So don't be worried if you already enter because the bull run is not ended. Okay, I think that's all today. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like up.